Hi, this is Vigneshwar, URK19CS1052. In this video, we are going to see about conditional statement using shell script in operating system lab. And going to first question. And this first question to check whether the entire number is palindrome or not. So this is the code to check the palindrome, whether the number is palindrome or not. So we have to enter a number and read that number, and sd equal to 0 we assign, and this all are assigned, and while that n is minus gt of 0, and this is a condition to we check palindrome or not. So now we're going to see answer for this one. So we have to enter one number. So 234 is not a palindrome. So again I check. So 121 is number is a palindrome. So this is the first question, and move on to second question. To print the given n numbers in an ascending order, note use array to store the input values. So this is the second question. So sorting an ascending order, so enter a number and read the number and enter the values. So here I use for loop I is equal to 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus. We have to use array to store the input values. So here I use read array, and for loop j is equal to 0 and j is less than n, and j plus plus. And this for loop we have to assign to add ascending order. So this is a condition. So now we run this code. So enter a number 4 5 6 9. Wait, I have to enter phone number. So I have to enter 5 6 9 19. So all the numbers are ascending order. So again I run 4 3 5 7. Oh sorry, wait, 3 numbers. So 4 6 2. Oh shit, 1 3 numbers, 3 4 1. So the numbers came in the ascending order. So move on to third question. To print all the square numbers between 1 to 100. So this is code to print all the square numbers between 1 to 100. So this is the for loop to we have to 1 to 100 square numbers. So I is equal to 1, I is less than 100, and I plus plus. And for loop for j is equal to 1 and j is less than 100 and j plus plus, we have to use here temp and temporary value and the exponent. And this is a condition to we have to all square numbers between 1 to 100. So now I run this code. So we're printing all square numbers between 1 to 100. It will printing one by one. And that's all square numbers between 1 to 100. And going to fourth question. And fourth question, to find the sum of multiplex of 3 and 5 below 1000. So this is the condition for I is equal to 1 and I is less than of 1000. and I plus plus. So if that that number is divisible by 3 or equal to 0, and I is divisible by 5 and equal to 0, then that expression of I plus sum, it will come the below sum of multiples 3 and 5 below 1000. So now I run this code. So this is a number, and move on to fifth question. To find the greatest common divisor of given number, input 25, 15 and 5. So this is the greatest common divisor code. To this is the condition: x is equal to expr and a and b as well as, and if that b is less than minus lt and dollar symbol of m, and then m is equal to dollar symbol of f, while that number is, that means our do x is equal to expr a and y equal to expr b. So in this if condition we have to use, and now I run this code. So I enter two numbers, 25, wait, wait 1 minute, and the GCD of 25 and 15 is 5, and this input 25 and 15 I get output is 5. So here also I get output as 5. And move on to sixth question: find the length of the given string including the space. So that one, this is the code to find the length of a string including the space, and enter the string. So read that string and minus n and a and to the m. So now we run this code. So I enter string, I google.com. So 10 variables, and move on to sound the question. Find the position of the given input string. A string is equal to, this is a string, and position at what, position at 1, and length is equal to 3, output is okay. So enter a string position and length. So this is a condition to get a string of position. So I get that output. So this is my code, and thank you for watching this video. And that's all the question I get in conditional statement using shell script. So thank you for watching this video.